Hi there, this is Avra again. This is another Google Nuggets video. Thank you so much for joining me. We are talking about Blogger today. In our first two videos, we learned how to create a Blogger account and then also how to start a new blog. We did both of those things in under 2 minutes each. With your Google Apps for Education or your Google account, you automatically have a Blogger account, and creating a new blog is simple and easy. Let's talk today about starting an actual blog post. You can do that by clicking here on the orange icon with the pencil in it. And then when this launches, you're going to notice that you are in a word processing document that probably looks somewhat familiar to you. It has a lot of the same characteristics as a Google Doc or a Microsoft Word document. You can see that basically there's a big white space right here where you'll do your typing. Here's a space for a post title. And then you've got some editing things up here where you can make things bold and italics. You can add links, you can add images, you can insert videos. There's a lot of different things that you can do, but I do want to just show you how we would do something quickly and easily. Let me head over here to my sample parent newsletter and say that this is going to be our first blog post. So all I did was come into another window and copy and paste, or copy some text, and now I'm going to paste it. So what I've done here is just copied and pasted some text that I already had typed up, and I'm going to say up here, September 1st, 2014, welcome to first grade. And I was clicking on this to see if I could move the picture around a little bit. I clicked on the picture and then I chose right instead of center. And that way then, when it messed up my formatting, I see a little bit. Just have to kind of tweak it, especially when you copy and paste text in from somewhere else. I'll get rid of the date there, and then we'll keep our picture here. And then what we can do is we can hit save. We can preview it to see what it's going to look like in our blog. Okay, what that does, if you notice, it opened it up here in a new tab. So I'm going to close this new tab now, and I'm going to go ahead and hit publish. I'm going to cancel out of this. We're not going to talk about Google Plus today, but what I do want to show you is that now, if I was at this main screen again for my blog, and I went in, I could click here to start a new post, or I can click here to go in, and this is kind of the overview of my blog. And then here, if I click on posts, this is where you'll see then that first post that we've made. All of your posts, which are like your entries, are all going to be listed here. So this is the side of Blogger that you see. When you want to see what your parents or your audience will see, you want to come up and use this button here that says View Blog. And you'll notice that what we have is a full blog, Mrs. Smith's Classroom Blog 1415.blogspot.com. If you can get that URL out to your parents, then they'll be able to quickly and easily access your blog. As you create additional blog posts, and I'll show you this in another video, you will see them come in on top of each other. They're listed from newest to oldest when you have a blog, and I'll show you that more in another video. But that is how you create your first blog post. Thank you for watching.